Fans are not happy with Ariana Grande for getting a massive tattoo on her arm. 4 words, people: her body, her choice. Ariana Grande took to her Instagram yesterday to share her latest tattoo, which was inspired by her favorite character from the anime film Spirited Away. The tattoo takes up a large portion of Ariana's forearm and features Chihiro, who is the 10-year-old female protagonist of the movie Spirited Away. So before showing off the tattoo, Ariana Grande posted a description of Chihiro's character by writing, quote, "Chihiro's growth into a capable individual is a core factor to the movement of Spirited Away's plot. During her adventure in the spirit world, she matures from an easily scared girl with a childlike personality to match her age to a hard-working, responsible, and brave young girl who has learned to put her fears aside for those she cares for." The description continued, quote, "To protect her friends and rescue her parents from a spell that has turned them into livestock, Chihiro sheds her former personality and adapts to her environment to become a courageous, quick-witted, and reliable girl." Now, Ariana has been a big fan of Spirited Away for years now, and it's clear that she relates to Chihiro's character on a deeply spiritual level. Of course, while many of Ari's fans were happy for her and congratulated her on the new ink, there were some who criticized the size of the tattoo naturally. So one fan tweeted, "Did Ariana really get that big tattoo on her arm, and for what?" followed by a crying emoji. Another person said, "Ariana's really out here getting herself permanent random tattoos. She better not end up with a full f***ing sleeve." Yeesh. But other fans celebrated Ari's statement with the tattoo and the deep and personal meaning behind it. One fan put it perfectly by saying, quote, "Not a big fan of those huge tattoos, but to be honest, the meaning behind it is so Ariana. Like, I could read this and the first thing I think of would literally be her. That's literally her growth, the way she went from a shy girl to a strong, empowered woman. At Ariana Grande, we stan." And if you don't agree with that explanation, then hopefully you guys can agree with this one. Ariana Grande can do whatever the hell she wants with her body, period. All right, guys, now I have to turn it over to you. Are you a fan of Ari's Chihiro tattoo? I hope you are, because the movie Spirited Away is amazing. And what did you think her next tattoo will be inspired by? Sound off with all your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. And then when you're done with that, click right over here to watch another new video. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for hanging out with me here on Clevver. I'm on Instagram @NazPerez, and I'll see you guys next time.